Yes, sir, it is
So let's start the session. Thank you, Chavi. Thank you, Anand, for giving me the opportunity. Hello, everybody. My name is Dave Karlekar. Welcome to GuruSchools. Thank you all for investing your time. You are part of a journey for the next about 2 to 4 months, where not only you learn, but you will also earn those who are eyeing for a career. Okay, nobody learns in mother's womb. Given an opportunity, everything can be taught. Right, like we have come a long way in terms of our walking, talking, driving, cooking, swimming, how to be a good child, how to be a good sibling, how to be a good parent. Learning an IT skills is also much easier that way. Okay, rather it's a lot easier than the human intricacies and driving and cooking. Uh, you are seeing the Guru School, the Selenium QA's flyer under Guru Schools. What are we helping you towards learn and earn? Primarily, it's in twofold. One is a manual QA part. Second one is an automation QA part. You have two instructors. Both of them have lived in India, US, have been working professionals. Anand sir has over 26 years of experience. Shavi madam has about 14 years of experience and more. Gender inclusion is important. That's where you always see male-female combination. So we are here to help you. Basically, there'll be three ways of learning for you. Every week you will have about 3 sessions on the QA side, alternate days, so that every other day you could digest what has been taught to you. All sessions are recorded, like this session is getting recorded. So in case you miss a session or two, you can always fall back on recording and you can learn it. Along with that, please remember to attend our RRRP sessions. RRRP sessions is nothing but reference ready resume preparation. Your resume is getting prepared. You're getting all those bells and the whistles. You're getting all that makeover, what to write, what not to write, client, domain, anything and everything. Basically, you're teething into our 24 years of history. This is our 24th year. So we have produced over 7,300 candidates like you who have trained, placed, and all are working in the US and Canada. So you will be joining them as our alma mater, provided you wants to do that. So it's a great opportunity, particularly for those who are trying to have a career. Basically, you're banking on a 26 plus trillion economy being the United States of America and 3 plus trillion economy being Canada. So combining over 29 trillion, getting a job thanks to COVID, thanks to China, thanks to pandemic, everything is remote. The entire landscape of IT have changed. Historically, QA has been more flexible remote working. Post pandemic, most of it is remote, right? So the odds are most of you at the comfort of your home will be working in the QA role. Okay, and there is a power in unity. I think Selenium QA, we have more than 80 plus resources as a part of our practice working. And then Chavi, Anand sir, these are the two lead trainers, they manage the practice. So basically you have all the help 24/7, right? Just raise your hand in your group, ask for help, and then the senior consultants will be helping you. Senior consultants are basically those people who were just like you a couple of years ago, and by virtue of the timeline and being with us for long, they have learned, and they will also be helping hand. They are like your older siblings towards giving you the timely help towards your fixing your challenges, fixing your day-to-day administrative project related problems. And then, as I said, everything is mundane. Like we learn driving, cooking, you will learn these things also. So all we ask for is give you 100% along with the technical training, technology training. Remember to attend the RRRP session so that your resume gets ready. Because unless your resume is ready, the sales team cannot market you. So the quick thing here is the day you enroll, ask your HR to give you an archive of the Google Excel sheet. Okay, the Google Excel sheet is where you will have over 500-600 hours worth recording by Anand sir, Chavi madam, right? So what you do, just watch a marathon movies, Hollywood, Tollywood, Bollywood movies, repeat this entire session, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 5, day 10, 20, 30, 40. You will complete the Selenium QA training in a matter of week or two. Okay. The live sessions will continue happening. What happens is, before watching the movie in the theater, you will watch it on a DVD or on Netflix. So the movie in and out, right? Where to clap, where to whistle, where to cry, right? What to expect next scene, when the songs will come, the actor, actresses, the movie plot, everything. Otherwise, if you go blindfolded, it will be difficult for you to learn and to digest. But if you watch it before watching these sessions, you are much proactive student. Okay, so you will finish the previous recording watching. Now you're good. Then you'll ask your HR, hey, give me some benchmark resumes for you to look at them. And accordingly, you will be attending the RRRP sessions towards your resume build up, towards planning for have your career. Plus, there'll be 2 sessions every week, which talks about job placement requirement status update, the sales team, marketing your resume, submissions, your resume. You want to be part of the group, which is well oiled and which is career mindset. If you do not be a part of that group, basically you're lost, you fall through the crack, and then you feel depressed. Okay, so positivity and inculcating that proactive aggressiveness is the key to success. So by staying with the winners, you will start catching up to them, because there is always somebody's working, somebody's starting, somebody's preparing for the interview, somebody's preparing for the resume, somebody's revising the training, and there'll be somebody like you. So by staying with these people, the seniors, you will be catching up to them. That's the key, right? So you get right pressure, and with the right pressure, you start pulling the weight, and you will start getting flexing more and more muscles with a matter of time. It's your career. Okay, we all have a job. Chavi is working, Anand is working, I am working, the sales, marketing, all of us are working. Many of you are not, right? So you need to give 100% to your career. Unfortunately, we can't get back whatever happened in the past, but going forward, if you give 100%, obviously you'll get a job, right? Getting a job, that too remote, in a 29 trillion consolidated marketplace, US and Canada, it's very easy. Okay, so without any further ado, I welcome you all at GuruSchools. The key here is consistency. The key here is giving you 100%. So if you follow this process, believe in our process, all we ask for is give us 2 or 3 months. Okay, and if you're willing to give 100% of your smart working, obviously all of you will get a job. Okay, so again, thank you, Chavi and Anand, for giving the opportunity. Our best wishes on behalf of GuruSchools to each one of you. And thank you for the opportunity. All right, back to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. That is very motivational. And yes, practice is the key, and consistency is the key. You have to work as a team, and work as a, like, you have to be consistent in learning. Whatever I teach you, you have to revise it and then do the assignment. Then everything will be very easy for you, honestly speaking. So, okay, so this is our offering, as I said, week-wise offering. And about myself, I'm Chavi Sharma. I have over, as sir says, 15 years of experience. I have to update my PPT. So I've worked as a automation tester. Initially, I was a manual tester. Then I have switched to automation. Currently, I am working in Sybase, and I have worked in few companies like Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Mindtree. Currently, I'm working as Sybase as an automation tester. Worked in many domains like telecom domain, banking domain, HR domain. Currently, I'm in HR domain. So yeah, this is about me. I would like to, call one by one to everyone to give some introduction about yourself. What is your background? What is where you are from, and what you are looking for as a as a student, what you are looking for in this course. Okay, so just a small introduction to everyone, so that we get to know each other, and we have to help each other as a group. Okay, so starting from
Chavi, madam, just one thing. So
yes.
basically, just an overview of yourself. State your name, what's your education is. If you have any work experience, IT, non-IT, what kind of a work system? If you're a homemaker all throughout, just state you're all throughout homemaker. If you have done some training, if you have gone through some self-learning, Okay, if your spouse is in similar skills, the BA QA, all of these are plus, right? So accordingly, the trainers know what kind of a talent pool is available to them, and accordingly, whether it has to be a bullet train pace or a slow train pace. Accordingly, they can pace up the curriculum and the mode of the teaching. Okay. Uh, Also keep observing other people. If somebody already done the course, somebody already worked a QA, obviously he or she is 4 steps, 10 steps ahead of you. So it's very important to get shadowed with that person, right? If somebody's spouse is working in IT as a QA trainer, that's also very important, because these are all good things, by having somebody ahead of you, right? If you're in a session, if you are the smartest session person in the session, then you're on the wrong session. You must have other people who are much better than you, smarter than you, intelligent than you, experienced than you, or have family members who are having honing that skill. Because with that help, it's going to help you towards learning a fast track, towards catching up on that. Many of you can form a small subgroup within which you can do the role playing. You can have the questions, you can have the answers, so many things you can do. So what we do in the beginning is, as I said, as a part of role play, we understand from each other's background, your name, your education, what kind of work you have done in IT, non-IT, if you have done any training from elsewhere, or from Udemy, Radio Rekha, or self-learning from YouTube and all, anything or everything, or maybe your spouse or sibling have helped you. If nothing, just say I'm a homemaker, and that's okay too. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. So yes, we'll start with Evil, IVEL. Hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly.
Yeah, hi Shavi, hi Deep. This is the Ival here. I've done my master's in public admin, and in the past, I've worked in a bank in the payment side. Then I've worked as an HR for the staffing and recruiting. Then I took a break. Then I was self-employed. Now I'm planning to pursue in the automation field. And I also did a certification course in IntelliPact.
Okay.
And now I'm here in the Guru School to upgrade my skills.
Okay. Okay, great. So everyone, if you can switch on the camera for just few minutes to, so that we can know each other properly. Just for your introduction, if you can switch on your camera, and so that we get to know each other. That's all. So welcome, Evil.
Hey.
Good that you have worked somewhere. So it's always a learning. So I also have gap of almost like 7 years. After that, I've again started my career in IT. So don't worry, we will be teaching you from scratch about manual testing to Java to Selenium to Selenium automation to frameworks and Jenkins. So yeah, it will be a good journey with you. Okay.
Thank you, Cherry.
Okay, next will be Priya. Priya, if you like to say.
Yes. Hi.
Hi,
Hi, Chavi. My name is Priya Maisuria, and I'm from Austin, Texas.
Okay.
And yeah, actually, I'm a beautician, and I did my diploma in India, environmental engineering, and I stopped, and then I did my beautician here, and then I want to start my career again
in IT.
Yes, in IT, and my husband also work in he's a product manager in Samsung.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Sure. So you're in Texas. Fine.
Yes.
Welcome, Priya.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Next is Jinansi. Jinansi, would you like to tell?
Yes.
Hi, Jinansi.
Are you listening me?
Yes, yes, we can listen to you.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, my video. Yeah. Hi, myself Jinansi Patel. Actually, we know because I already in like a batch 11, right?
Okay, you're from batch 11, right.
Yeah, I'm from batch 11 and took a break because my son was sick. So yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
myself Jinansi Patel, and I have done my electronic and communication in India, and then I did my job also in network engineer, also in India. And for like after marriage, I came here and like some break, like around 5 year break. Yeah, and then yeah, now I got my EAD. So recently I got my EAD. So now I want to start to work in the automation. So yeah, I'm looking forward to these automation. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Welcome, Jinansi. Yeah, you are from
Thank
batch
you.
11. So yeah, we know each other.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Next.
I live in Texas, Houston.
Texas
Yeah.
only, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Next is Abra. Tell me if I'm not pronouncing your name correctly. So,
You did correct. My name is Abrar. Hi,
okay.
everyone. I've done my bachelor's in business administration in Bangladesh. So currently I'm working as a production manager at a food processing farm. I did some self-learning from YouTube on Selenium, and I'm currently living in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Okay. Okay. Welcome, Abra.
Thank you.
Next is Alap. Alap.
Hi everyone. Hi, my name is Alap, and I've done a hospitality management course back in 2013. I've worked in hospitality for a number of years. Then I've decided to switch the career. So from last almost a year, I've been practicing, QA automation. I've also got 6 months of experience in manual testing side as well.
Okay.
So now I'm turning into automation, as well as I have done YouTube videos. I have learned few things from the YouTube videos as well. So yeah, and I'm living in Canada.
Okay. So in manual testing, I would take few help from you.
It's been a while. I haven't touched anything. I've been practicing automation. But yeah, definitely I will
Sure.
try my level best.
Yeah, you can help in at least for in assignments to everyone who are looking for help. Okay, so you
Yes,
have created
definitely.
manual testing, test cases also you have created for as
Yes,
experience of 6 months. Okay, you have created manual
yes.
test. Okay,
Yeah, I mean, in terms of Selenium, I've done a lot of practice as well. My
okay.
biggest hurdle comes in a place where the framework part kicks in. That's where I'm struggling a lot. Besides, I've done a lot of practice in automation compared to manual.
Automation also. Okay, okay.
Okay,
So
Alap, what she meant is she wants you to be a class monitor. So
yeah,
whenever
Oh
the
my God.
assignments are given or in her absence or any further help when people need, because many of you will be interconnected, you could give some pointers, you could give some reference documentation or reference videos like from YouTube and all, along with our internal videos. A lot of content which is available, right, on YouTube, through some other training academies. So there is so much, there is no end to learning. So, not that she's picking on you, she's simply saying you could be her
Yes,
eyes and
yes.
ears. Okay, thank you.
Definitely.
yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you, Alap.
Thank you.
Next is Ankita Shah. Ankita Shah.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Ankita.
Hello. Hello. Myself Ankita Shah. I have completed my Master of Pharmacy from India. and I have 7 years of experience as a QA executive in a pharmaceutical company and in India. But in the US, I have a 1 year of experience as a pharmacy technician in Rite Aid Pharmacy. And right now, I'm working as a pharmacy technician in CVS Pharmacy.
Okay.
So total, I have 8 year experience, and I'm living in Cleveland, Ohio.
Okay. Okay. So you have much of experience in QA only, right?
QA, not the IT sector, QA quality
Okay.
assurance for the pharma sector.
Pharma sector. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. So welcome, Ankita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, if you can say Aruba. Aruba, can you tell me about yourself? You have
Hello.
recently joined, I know. Like
Yes.
you have not
Yes.
shifted to that group also, 12, batch 12 group. So yeah, I have to add you. Okay. Hi, Aruba.
Hi, Chavi. So this is Aruba here, and I have done telecommunication engineering, and I've worked in that field as well for a few years. Then I got married and moved to US. I'm from Houston, Texas,
Hmm.
and I've not been working since 2015, but I've taken a few courses of manual testing, QA,
Okay.
and right now I'm looking forward for Selenium automation.
Mhm.
So I'm here for that.
Okay. So you also have a little bit experience on manual testing.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
like writing test cases and all those stuff, right?
yes. I have experience in writing text cases and Jira and some tools like Zypher and all. I have an
Okay.
experience of that.
Okay.
But that's
Because you,
just the practice. I'm not work in the field, but
Mhm.
whatever courses I've taken, so I've practiced on that.
Okay.
So I don't have any work experience right now, but yes, I do have experience
Mhm.
on working on Jira and
Okay. Yeah, Jira is important. Everyone has to learn Jira. And the second thing is manual testing is very important. If you have gone for automation testing also, manual is very much required because every time, whenever you have to go for automation, manual testing, like some part of the project will always be manual and then other part is automation. So yeah, we will learn that. Yeah, but manual testing is very much required for every every automation tester also. Okay, thank you, Aruba. Welcome to the group.
everything.
Yeah. Next is iPhone. Can you tell me your name? Your name is written as iPhone. So, what is your name? Or we will go to next, which is Bhavani. Bhavani.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes. We can hear.
Hi, myself Bhavani. Hi to Dev and Chavi. Hello,
Hi.
everyone. It's very good to meet you all today in this live session. And I'm from Michigan, Farmington area.
Okay.
So myself, I have completed my graduation from BSc Computer Science and then MCA in India.
Okay.
And then in US, I was on H4 visa, and I worked for under an year,
Mm,
like a BA and as a client support for
okay.
around 10 months. So it's for a startup company. Then
Mm,
later we moved, so I got to discontinue that.
mhm.
We moved to another place. So again, now I have my valid EAD right now. So I would like to start my career back again with testing, like Selenium
Okay.
as a QA.
Yes,
Yeah.
welcome, Bhavani.
Thank
Coincidentally,
you.
I'm also BSc Computer Science and then I've done MCA. So
Mm-hmm.
education-wise, we have common things and
Right. Yeah, and
okay.
I'm a mom of two, so it's hands
Oh,
full of work all
oh,
time.
same,
So
same.
it's
I'm
good.
also
My
a
kids
mom of
are
two.
grown up already. Yeah, they're like
Mhm.
15 and 10.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm very happy to be part of with you with Guru Schools. Thank you so much.
Yes, we are also happy to have you. Welcome, Bhavani.
Thank you.
Okay, so Okay. Next will be Divakar. Divakar.
Hi, good evening. I'm Divakar from California.
Hi.
Yeah, I have listened a lot of friends here. They are related with computer and IT. But I have actually, I want to say I have zero knowledge in IT. So I want to start with the QA manual, and later I want to proceed with QA automation. So with this field, I want to say I have zero knowledge. So I need your support with all friends and our mentors.
Sure, Divakar, no problem. So right now, are you working somewhere?
Yeah, I'm working somewhere, but it's not the field
Not
with the
IT.
IT. So yeah.
Okay.
And one more thing, ma'am, I want to ask you that we live in CA, California, and with the Eastern time, we are getting some problems. Like for the Easterners, it's like now it's around 6. It's like 9:30 or 10, something like that. So they are free. But actually, when we are in CA here, this is our main working time.
Okay.
So we are getting some problem with this time. So if we can manage.
Yeah, timing now, timing discussion, we will do it
Yeah,
at the end of
yeah,
everyone introduction is done, then we will do the timing discussion. Yes, Divakar, we will discuss about the timings. If everyone is okay, we'll have your morning times. Otherwise, this is the time which we have given to everyone when they
yeah.
when they asking for enrollment. So Saturday, Sunday, we can do the your morning time, because Saturday, Sunday, mostly people want it in the morning so that, after that they are free. So yeah, that we will discuss at the end. Okay. Okay, Divakar,
Okay.
it's
Thank
fine.
you, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Welcome. Next is Syed. Syed. Hi, Syed. Will you able to speak?
Yeah, good
Hi.
evening for everyone in the session, and especially for you and for the third Dave. This is Sayed. I would like to call me Adi, but my last name is Adi. It's easier to pronounce. I have already did some kinds of self-study. I did Udemy. I now did some manual as well, automation, test cases, script, Java, Selenium. But I would like to get more practice and to start career. I have studied in literature, and I've been working in the sales. Still, I'm working in the sales, and also I'm living currently in Richmond.
Okay. Okay. So you also have experience on manual testing, right?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did, but it's all just practice and learning self-study.
Okay. Okay. Welcome. Welcome, Sayed.
Thank you so much.
Next is Farad Khan. Please
Hello,
correct me if
everyone.
I'm saying anything wrong.
Yes, you are correct.
Okay.
So hello, everyone. My name is Farhad, and I used to work as a benefit verification specialist in a pharmaceutical sourcing and distribution services company. And that job is over last month because it was a contract-based job. And at this moment, I'm not working anywhere because I need to focus on my IT career. And I did my master's in English literature from Bangladesh.
Okay. Masters. Okay. Good. Good. Welcome. Welcome, Farad.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next is Gary. Gary Shankar. Will you able to speak, Gary? Otherwise, next is
Hi.
Hi, Gary. Yeah.
Hi. So I currently live in Jersey City, in New Jersey.
Okay.
The schedule is pretty tight for me, so sorry I'm not able to come on to video right now. I just came home.
Okay.
Um,
Mhm.
yeah. So I started as computer science in NJIT. It's a university in
Mhm.
East Coast in New Jersey.
Mhm.
Then I went into the IT career as a Unix admin, then I system admin, and then got into a SEM and process management. Then I got a severe case of carpal tunnel syndrome. So because of too much typing, I guess. So I got off from IT for quite a while, and I
Okay.
got into my own business, wholesale business. Then I got back into IT and then did some .NET development for one of the small companies.
Mhm.
I was a developer, tester,
Okay.
uh, database guy,
Mhm.
everything. But then a friend of mine suggested, why don't you try Selenium QA,
Mhm.
which is pretty easy to manage, and I don't think you'll have too much of typing to do.
Mhm.
The carpal tunnel is gone, but I like to keep it low,
Okay.
if I could. Um, yeah, so I'm here to learn some Selenium QA.
Good, good, good. So you have done
Thank
some .NET, so it will be easy for you to learn Java, right?
Yeah, I know Java in the college time, and also I took as one of this consulting teaching offering. So
Mhm.
Java, core Java, I know. The advanced Java bits and pieces, I still remember.
Okay.
But I think it's like a refresher. Probably if I
Mm.
look at the technique, I can catch it on very quickly. Currently, I forgot to tell you. Currently, I'm a basically, I was working for a small consulting company as a recruiter. Which I have been off since a couple of years.
Mhm.
You know, but that's to gain some experience in recruiting, which I had none.
Okay.
So, but if someone with Shankar Mala or Gary Mala is reaching you, so I'm just trying to make a contact as a student. It's not a recruiter
Yeah.
in LinkedIn. I mean,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Sure. 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 Welcome, Gary. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hope we will be learning good Selenium, and you will be helping us also in that course. As you have little bit knowledge about, you have done computer science and all those things. So yeah. Hmm.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Next is Gopi. Gopi, you are also like you have done little bit of our previous course, and yeah, you are now in this new batch. So yeah, I think you have introduction is done, but still, if you can give few introduction about yourself, like.
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. I am Gopi from Phoenix, Arizona. My background is pharmacy. I worked in several pharmacy companies in India, and I worked as a pharmacy technician in US, and also I worked 7 months in Best Buy as a QA manual tester in software field. So I joined in GuruSchools to learn Selenium automation, and also how to face a vendor interview and client interview, as well as some project support after getting job. So these are the things. Thank you, Chevi, for giving opportunity.
Welcome, Gopi. And my first son is also born in Phoenix, Arizona. So I have very, um, contact. That way I have contacted with, yeah, he's the son who is born in Phoenix, Arizona. Going from. Okay. Okay. Welcome, Gopi. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So Krishna Rajput. Krishna Rajput.
Hello.
Hi, Krishna. Welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. I'm Krishna Rajput. I'm living in Greenville, South Carolina, US. And before I worked in Amazon as a new hiring trainer, and now I'm a homemaker, like busy with my newborn baby. So I'm from non-IT background. Like my background is commerce,
Commerce.
BCom. Yeah. So I'm looking manual testing and also want to learn like automation testing too. So
Okay. So currently you are in which place, Krishna?
Greenville, South Carolina.
South Carolina. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Welcome. Welcome, Krishna. We will be learning manual as well as automation tester from very basic things. So yeah, it will be easy for you to understand. And yeah, hope you see you soon.
Yes,
In
thank you so much.
classes also. But like attend regular classes, you don't miss any class, otherwise it will be difficult for you to catch up, and try to
Yeah.
do all the assignments. It will be easy for you then. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sure, welcome.
Thank you.
Next is Milan. Milan, yeah, Milan.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Milan.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, yeah, you are audible.
Okay, so my name is Milan. So I'm not in from IT. I'm from like commerce background.
Okay.
So I was the financial advisor for one of the bank in Canada,
Okay.
and I quit the job like last summer, and I would just want to move to IT. So I did a couple of self study on automation, and yeah, that's where I come from.
Okay. Okay. No problem. As I've told to Krishna also, we are starting from very basic things. So yeah, it will be easy for you to learn manual testing and automation also. So
Yeah.
yeah, welcome, Milan.
No worries. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Next is Mohalya. Mohalya.
Yeah, good evening, team. This is Mohalya from New Jersey. So I have completed my BE Electronics and Communication Engineering. So I worked in IT for about 8 years. So I started my career as a manual tester, and I have worked on various projects in ETL testing, automation testing, Selenium based, Java, TestNG. So the thing I have joined here is I know how the automation Selenium is work, but the base thing, how a framework is built from the scratch. So I want to learn something about that in depth. So how you build a framework exactly. So right now I moved to US. Recently I got my EAD. So I want to get into a job. Meanwhile, I also took an course related to DevOps, and I learned what are the latest tools in upcoming IT market. So glimpse of DevOps as well. I'm learning. So that's all about me. Thank you, team. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Mohalya, you are like most experienced, I can say here, because 8 years of experience is pretty good in terms of, ETL testing also you have done,
Yeah.
Selenium testing also you have done. So very good. And yeah, we are starting from basic. So maybe that will come little late when, starting creating framework from scratch. That will come little late, like maybe after 2 months we will be starting that part, and for like half month it will go. Like our course is almost 2.5 months course. So yeah, you can have time to self learn also, and also go through, revise all those sessions like in manual testing, Java, and slowly we will go to the framework. So yeah, we will understand that what is your requirement, but yeah, it will take time to reach to that level. So
Yeah,
yeah,
I know.
welcome, Moira.
Thank you. Thank you,
And we
Chavi.
will be actively, you can actively participate and help others. That way also you can learn.
Sure, sure.
So yeah,
Thank you.
we'll be looking forward for you.
Sure, Chavi. I'll do my best. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Monali. Okay, next is Monali.
Hi, Chavi. Hi, everyone. This is Manali from Charlotte, North Carolina. I did a bachelor's in electronics and telecommunication back in India, like over 10 years ago. And I took one manual testing course after my bachelor's, but then I'm here and now I'm homemaker, stay-at-home mom. But I'm looking forward to start preparing for job and I enrolled like 1 month ago, so I started with directly Selenium.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you have enrolled pretty early. So yeah, welcome, Monali. So we'll be starting our session from like next Thursday only. So yeah, welcome, and we will be looking forward for you. Okay.
Thank you, Chavi.
Thank you, Monali. Next is Naresh. Naresh.
Oh, sorry, just a minute. Hi, myself Ramya. Sorry, I have joined from my husband account. Yeah. Myself Ramya. Hello, everyone. So I have done my BTech and I have around 10 plus years of IT experience. Recently, yeah, all my experience were in India only. Recently, we have moved to Canada with the family. So that's the reason I had to resign my job in India and came to Canada last year in October. Otherwise, I worked till July last year. So I have an experience in testing. I worked but all my experience into manual testing only. But I'm familiar with recently learned Selenium and REST API testing also. Yeah. So I am in job trials and I'm new to Canada. That's the reason I have chosen GuruSchools to upskill my automation skills. I don't have a real-time experience in automation, but I have a knowledge on it. So yeah, currently I'm looking for automation roles.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all about myself.
You have experience of 10 years and also
Yeah.
recently only you have left the job.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, I worked in Wipro and prior to that Calix and Parexel I have worked.
Okay, in India. Which
Yeah,
place of
in
India?
India, Hyderabad. I'm from
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
welcome.
that's all about.
Ramya, welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, next is Nilima. Nilima, would you tell about yourself?
Hi, yeah. Can you able to see me? Hello?
Yes, Nilima. We can see you
Okay.
and hear you also. Yeah.
Okay. So from last 13 to 14 years, I think we are staying in Nashville, Tennessee State. Didn't able to complete my graduation at that time, and now I'm doing my graduation BBA from MIT University, Noida, India, and it's my last year. So now I'm seriously planning about this QA, and I have experience 6 to 8 months experience in healthcare domain. It's like a known person, known family friends. There I joined and I did like a 6 to 8 months. It's like an internal project, which he is the CEO. He used to do developing coding part and all. I used to do the peer testing. Like only 30% I used to do. Most of the people do from India. And I did 70% of HR coordinating job, like onboarding and exit part and talking with the vendors. That kind of HR kind of job from Freedom Central, which is there in Texas. So that part I did 70% and QA part I did only 30%. And I don't know why I have interest in this QA. So I did like peer testing only in that. More interest on doing this. So I just want to do like a serious way in this. So that's why I joined in this. So yeah, Java, I feel, WebDrive and all. I feel like a little bit, I want to go like a step-by-step process, what is going on, and I need little bit hands-on experience. What is the step-by-step and what is the step, I mean, in the projects and all. I saw like the projects which are doing, but not in my what it is, in my zone. If I used to ask my experienced people, but they used to say like fast, and I didn't able to understand. Of course, another thing is 1 year back. I think from 1 year back, my experience, I mean, my project is done from, of course, all the string, like even HR side or bundle, and I mean, my QA side also. So anyway, I have some break and I started my graduation. By the time of completing my graduation, I thought I'll be like 100% of this QA side. So that's my thing. Yeah, my husband is also like he's in Davita. It's a kidney dialysis company, company IT side. But of course, he's so busy. I'm like a little bit shy person to ask anyone like, what is this for anything. I feel this is the correct spot for me to practice or to ask anyone.
Yes.
So I feel this is good. Yeah.
Yes. Welcome, Nilima. So you are still a student and studying, and that is very good. And
yeah, I don't want to leave my career. I'm little, I don't know why. I'm interested after 30 years. So yeah, I want to do.
Yeah, that's great. And you will really understand whenever, means like as you are a student, you will know that when I'm teaching you, you will learn quickly, and yeah, we will do with scratch and slowly pace. So it will be easy for you to understand. So
I used to join in the meetings, but yeah, I have a little bit idea about manual testing, but Java and all I have to learn from scratch. Yeah.
So yeah, good, Nilima. Welcome.
Thank you.
To GuruSchools.
Thank you.
Okay, after Nilima, we have Rajani.
Hi, Chavi. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Myself, Rajani. I am from non-IT background. I completed my MSc in science background.
Okay.
And I worked in pharmaceutical industry as a research and development sector. And we came to USA and I quit my job there. Recently only I got my H4 EAD. So again, I want to start my career.
Yeah. Most of the ladies, it will be like that. I also quit my job and went to US with my husband as a dependent visa. So yeah, that time dependent visa, I was on H4. So that time H4 was not like allowed to work, but now we can do it. That's good. So yeah, welcome, Rajani.
Thank you, Chavi.
Just a minute, I'll be back. I have my laptop has short of battery, so I'll get my charger. I'll be back. Yes, so I'm back. So yes, Rajni, welcome to the GuruSchools.
Thank you, Chavi.
After that, we have Rajita Kiran. Rajita Kiran.
Yeah. Hi, Chavi. Hi, everyone. My name is Rajita. I have completed my master's in computer science in 2003. And then after I worked as a computer teacher, it was long back actually in 2004-5 that time. Then marriage and kids, so I didn't have any IT experience. But I have learned some manual testing concepts from YouTube. And now my kids are grown up, and now they can manage themselves their work. So I want to restart my career in QA. So it is a best option for now ladies to start. No, I thought like that. So I chose this platform to learn. Thank
Good,
you.
good, good, Rajita. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to GuruSchools.
Thank you.
So next is Ranjini, sorry, Ranjini. Ganeshram.
Hi. So yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear
Hi.
me?
Yes, yes.
Hi,
we can
hi,
hear you.
Chavi.
Hi.
Hi. So good evening, everyone. I'm Ranjini Ganeshram from New Jersey. So basically, I'm a BCom graduate. Along with that, I just did my B.Ed, and I was working in Madhmaheshadri Balabhavan School in India, Chennai, as a teacher for almost 6 to 7 years, and then we just moved to. We just moved to USA, and so for the past 6 to 7 years, I was I'm taking care of my kids, and so now I've just got my EAD, and then I just wanted to come to this line. So this is really a new line for me, a new zone or whatever it is. So I'm here as a student to learn about QA automation.
Okay, okay, Ranjini.
I'm
Welcome
also looking
to
for
GuruSchools.
a manual, manual as well as the automation.
Automation.
So let's look for it.
Yes, yes, yes. We will
So-
be learning manual as well as automation in our course. So yeah, looking forward for it.
Yeah, and I will definitely need more support from you, and
Yes, yes.
and the friend and the team from everybody.
Yes. Yes, that's why I have done this introduction, session, especially for the students to get to know each other. It's not only for me that looking like what Ranjini is doing, what Ranjita, Neelima, what they are doing, but also to know you that what they are doing, so that you also know that what others are doing and where they are from and how you can connect with them. So that's why I'm doing this session to, we all can know each other well. Okay, so
thank
this
you.
is your
Thank you.
team for next couple of months, and you have to work together as a team to ask questions. If I have given you some assignment, you can maybe at the night time I'm not available because I'm in India, I'm in Pune. So you all can interact with each other, like as your location or whatever availability of time you have, so you can interact with each other and get to know about the assignments and how you have done, or you can take help from each other. So yeah, that way, that's why I have taken this session in depth that you know each other very well.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, Chavi.
Welcome, Ranjini. Next is Satya. Satya. Hi, Satya.
Hi. Can you able to see?
Yes, we can see you.
Yeah, I'm Satya Subramanian. Actually, I have completed my BSc IT in India. It's long back actually. And I have a 5 years of IT experience in manual testing in India. And after that, I have a 7 years of career break. And now I want to start my career in automation. That's it from me.
5 years of IT experience. So you was a manual tester in which location of India?
India in Chennai, yeah.
Chennai, okay. Now you are
now I'm in Dallas, Texas.
Texas, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You have
Yeah.
also similar story like me.
Yeah.
I also have 5 years of experience. Then I went to Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I also took like 7 years of break. Then I've started again my career in IT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Welcome, Satya.
Okay.
You will.
Thank you.
You're welcome into Guru Schools. Looking forward.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.
So next is Sheenam. Sheenam.
Hi everyone, this is Sheenam.
Hi.
I did BTech in Electronics and Communication. I live in New Jersey. And I also have a 6 years of experience in manual testing in Chandigarh and Noida.
Okay.
I did QTP and load runner during my career. And I have a basic knowledge of Java too. And in my career, I did work on e-commerce websites and banking domain. That's all I have experience.
Okay, so you have experience in performance testing also, you can say, like
Yes. Yes. I did load runner and QTP.
QTP. Okay, QTP is again a very good tool, but
Yes.
but it is like a licensed version, so you have to pay for it.
Yeah. So mostly companies are using Selenium due to open source. These days, because due to gap, I'm not able to find any job, and QTP, I'm not finding. Very few companies are using QTP right now. Very few.
Because it's a
I mean, rarely
paid version. So yeah, QTPs. That's why it is a very powerful tool, but as it is a paid tool,
expensive also. Yeah.
It's very expensive tool. So no.
Yes.
Yeah, nowadays it is very low in demand. So welcome, Sheenam. So you also have good experience in IT, and welcome, and looking forward for your support also to everyone in teaching.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, and load runner is also something which I also want to learn, but performance testing somehow I really couldn't get through it because of, in when we do performance testing class, I will take your help to explain that what is performance testing, what is the difference between functional and non-functional testing. So yeah, that time we will be taking help from you. Welcome, Shinam.
Thank you.
Okay, so next will be Satya, Shinam, then Shivani. Shivani, are you there? Who is iPhone? iPhone, what is your name? Sorry, I have called you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. Yeah. Shavi, I'm Sonali. Okay, I didn't write my name. I don't know about it.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Sonali.
Yeah. I'm Sonali. I'm from Chicago. Recently I got my EAD and I get to know about the Guru School. So I joined the Guru School. My many friends working in the QA. So that's why I'm inclined to this course mainly. My husband is working in a SAP ABAP since 15 years. And about the experience, I have the experience in teaching back in India. And my education is I'm done BSc Computer Science and MCA Master of Computer Application. And after that, I'm preparing for the PhD and everything. But just because of we are moving from here and there, I didn't build my career basically in anything. So I want to start my career here in US with the IT job.
Okay, great, Sonali. So you also have similar story like me. Chicago is a nice place to stay. I haven't visited Chicago. Okay.
Yeah, it is nice. 6 months cold, but 6 months are beautiful. Yeah.
Okay. Welcome, Sonali. Next
Thank you
is
so much.
Shivani. Thank you so much. Shivani, will you able to speak or should we move ahead?
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Hi, Shivani. Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. So myself is Shivani Chauhan, and I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. So I did my bachelor's in dentistry field, and I have three years of experience in the same field. So I'm from non-IT background. So I want to learn something like in this QA. So I'm a little bit interested in this field. So that's why I chose this Guru School. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, you're from which part of US?
Phoenix, Arizona.
Phoenix. Oh, Phoenix, Arizona. Okay, I've stayed there for a couple of years. Okay, great. Welcome, welcome, Shivani.
Thank you.
Next is Shruti. Shruti. Or next is Shweta. Shweta or Pravya. Pravya or Swati.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, this is Shravya.
Shravya. Okay, Shravya. Hi,
Yeah,
Shravya.
hi. Hi, Chavi. I'm Shravya. I have completed my MBA in HR in 2013. And I did 2 years in, as a HR in India. Later, I got married in 2019 and came back to USA. So since, after 2 years, I just didn't do I didn't work anywhere in India also. And after coming here also, we got EAD last year.
Okay.
So I didn't do any work here, but I just have done the manual testing course in YouTube. I just learned something. I got this interest due to my husband because he's also in manual testing. So and also have my sister who stays in Texas. She's also in testing. So I thought someone would help me out if I would come into this field. That's how I started knowing about this manual testing.
Okay.
So yeah, that's all. So I just want to learn firstly manual testing. So that's how I just joined in this course.
Yes, yes. Good, good. Good, Shravya. So, Shravya, right?
Shravya, yeah.
Okay, okay. Good, good. So, manual testing is the key for learning automation. You have to have a manual tester. If you wanted to be an automation tester, first thing is you have to know about manual testing. So, yeah, the starting point is always manual testing. Then you can go for the automation. So good that at least you know about a little bit about the manual testing. So yeah, so that we can, go to the automation part also. So welcome, Shravya.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Swati, can you speak?
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, I did my BTech in electronics and telecommunication in 2006.
Okay.
Then after that 6 years I have experience in QA in manual testing.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Then after that I came to USA with my husband and I like independent visa, H4 visa. So since last 9 years I am homemaker.
Okay.
So last month I got my EAD. Yeah. I attend one of your batch 11 class also, ma'am, if you remember.
Okay. Okay. Yes. 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 Okay. You are.
Yeah. Then I told I can't understand anything about Selenium. So
right. Yeah, because you have to start from scratch. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand. So good decision that you have skipped that batch 11 and started with batch 12. It will be more comfortable for you to understand from starting. Okay.
yes,
Welcome.
and
Swati. Yeah.
yeah, thank you. And also I was looking for one platform like this. Then after that I got you.
Yes.
Guru School.
Yes. Good. Good that you have joined. So yeah, we will learn together and don't worry, you will be okay. So
Yeah,
yes,
thank you.
Yeah. So you are from which part of US, Swati?
Minnesota, city of snow.
Okay, Minnesota. Okay. And in India, you have 6 years of experience, no? In India.
Yeah, that is in Mumbai. That is in Mumbai.
That is
Like basically, I am from Odisha, but after my BTech, I went to Mumbai to search job and all. There, I did job. Like,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. 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 Welcome.
Thank you.
Swati.
Thank
So,
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Shruti, you want to go next? You have raised your hand.
Yeah, hi, Kevin. Yeah,
Hi.
can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, yes. We can hear you now.
Yeah, my laptop had an issue. Okay. Basically, like, I was living in New Jersey for 10 years. So right now I'm in Georgia. So I have an IT background. I did my engineering in electronics and communication. Later, I worked in India for 2 years in Java. And then I moved to New Jersey. I worked there as a .NET developer for 5 years. And again, I came back India, and now I have come to Georgia. So right now I'm living in Georgia state.
Okay.
Like I wanted to join Guru School because whenever I thought of changing my career to QA, for some reason I was not able to go forward. Every time I used to go back, and again I used to be a developer. So this time I have made my mind. I want to try to be here because I have 2 kids. With 2 kids managing their studies and all, it will be very difficult for me. So I'm planning to put a full stop to the developer role and planning to get into the QA role.
Okay. Okay. Sure, Shruti. So you also have experience in Java, .NET. So it will be helpful for us to when we do the Java part. So good.
Yeah.
Good, Shruti. Welcome to GuruSchools, and yeah, we will see that we get the QA part and get into project as soon as possible. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Welcome. So next is Shweta. Shweta, can you?
Hello.
Hi, Shweta.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, yes.
Hi,
Yes.
I'm Shweta Patel and I am from Cleveland, Ohio. I done my nursing in India and I have 2 years experience in Apollo Hospital. Then I came in USA and then 2 years break and then I started job in manufacturing company like as a quality control. And then now just I recently moved Columbus from Cleveland. So just I am now working in one company like as a machine operator. And then I have interested in QA. So this is new for me, but I will do my try best.
Good, Shweta. So you have little experience in hospital and machine operator, but still you can learn. As I said, I'm teaching it from very scratch, manual testing, core Java. So yeah, it will. If you have interest and if you want to learn, you will definitely able to learn it. Okay. Okay,
Thank
Shweta,
you.
welcome to GuruSchools.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. So next is Ushma.
Hi, Shari. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Hi, Ushma.
Myself, Ushma Pancholi. I'm from Canada and I have done master in electronics and communication from back home. And later I have done 2-year course of IT in Canada. I came as a student here. And I have total 4 years of experience in IT and currently working in Wipro as a manual test engineer for 2 years. And right now I am on my maternity leave, so I want to learn automation more to switch career in automation side.
Okay, so you are on leave, maternity leave, and still you want to learn. Good. How
Yeah.
old is your baby right now?
1 year and 3 months.
Okay.
So in Canada, generally we can get like 1 year and 18 months leave. So I have chosen 18 months. So I have 2 months left
Okay.
to rejoin. Yeah.
Congratulations for your new baby. And Sure, sure. It's a very good thing that you are taking advantage of your leave and with care of your baby, you are
Yeah.
learning some new skill that will be good for you. So you're working in Wipro right now.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good, Ushma. Good to know. You inspire as a woman, like like even though you are in maternity leave, you want to learn new skills that will be helpful for you. Good.
Yeah, thank you.
Good.
Yeah.
Welcome, welcome to GuruSchools.
Thank you.
Thank you. Vishrut. Next is Vishrut. Are you able to speak, Vishrut? Is anyone left apart from Vishrut? Hi, Vishrut.
So sorry, Chavi, I was not able to unmute.
Okay.
So hello everybody. My name is Vishrut Verma, and from India. In India, I am from Jammu and Kashmir, and I have studied electrical engineering. And I came to Canada and on a study permit with project management and HR management courses. After that, COVID hit, and I didn't got anything, so I got into customer service, and after 1 year I end up training them as an agent trainer. Right now by day I study, and I just try to find jobs, and by after midnight I do deliver food by Uber Eats. I live in Toronto, and I'm looking forward to learn all these skills which this course is offering me, and by God's grace, thankfully, I got this opportunity. Thank you.
So you are still a student, Vishrut, right?
No, I'm on a work permit. So few things happened, and things have not been kind to me. So still struggling phase is going on.
Okay, okay, no problem. Welcome. So you
Thank
are
you.
very beautiful. You are from very beautiful city of India, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay,
Thank you.
thanks. Okay, welcome, and all the best for learning new skills, and hope you will like enjoy learning QA, and we are always here to help you out. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Vishrut, welcome. So anybody is left? I'm not sure, like I have missed anyone or not. Anyone, if anyone is left, please speak and tell that my introduction is left. I think I have covered everyone. So we have 31 students in our current batch. And it is very, like when we have more students, no, it is very good to have a interaction with students only. So it's always good to have good number of students. Last time also we have good number of students, and they themselves clear their doubts, So we have to work hand on hand and help each other in learning. Okay. Any other question from like about the timings, right? So I just wanted to have your thoughts on having this time, like Tuesdays, Thursdays, 9:30 p.m. EST. I just wanted to know everyone's opinion on that.